Yeah, find some space. Some place that's just, different on stage. There you go. And don't worry about anyone near you. This is independent. You're totally in your zone. You've got objects you might need. You've got whatever. Just use it, touch it. Yeah, you're doing great. Just don't worry about anyone near you. Maybe something you need below you, above you. I want you to really see the space you're in. See the space you're in. And now start taking glances at the other actors so that you know what they're kind of doing. You have a sense if they're opening or touching something. And when you're ready, you could begin to add dialogue.
Guys, I think they're coming. I hear some noise.
Oh, they're coming. Oh, wait. So, adjust yourselves. He said they're coming. The security guard has walked. The security guard has walked past you, completely past you, and has left the area. This area. He's gone.
All right. So, what's the plan?
What are we gonna do?
Wait, who's the mastermind anyway?
You know who the mastermind is. You know it is. It's him right there. He's been planning this for 2 years, and you have all been helping him.
You know what we've been doing. Under the sink.
Under the sink. Wow, that's mine.
Freeze. Put the sink on the fourth wall. Just right now. Shh. Right there.
How do we crawl through the drainage?
Crawl through the drainage. We've been scooping with spoons. You forget this every time.
Show her the map. Show her. Get the map you have on toilet paper.
Give me the map. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, so we're here.
We're here.
I skipped social studies, so.
I can't read.
Oh.
This is why I'm the mastermind. Okay. We are here in this building. Yes.
Yes.
And what we need to do is get out of the building.
Security guard is coming back. He's coming back. He's going the other direction.
Throw the map, throw the map.
They walked.
Why?
He's completely walked past you. He's completely walked past and now is gone.
Get off of me.
Yeah, right? I was so good.
Who made this map?
I did.
Of course you did. We're on an island.
Wait, why does that look like a smiley face?
How do we get to the island?
We are on it. We took a boat.
Freeze. Stay frozen. Everything you established. Someone please over there grab the door and shut it. It's a little loud. So stay in character. Stay looking at the objects you looked at. Don't invent anything new. You have everything you need. And I don't know your name right there in the front. What's your nope.
Garrison.
So Garrison, go look back where you're looking at the map. Just listen to my voice. Garrison, you are going to be moving this company number, this ensemble number. The rest of you are there to support. I'm just coaching this. So you have to find, Garrison, a refrain that's going to help them at some point so they can help be in it. Okay? Listen to Kurt. He's going to help you. You can come back to life, Garrison. Everyone can just listen. Take your time, Garrison.
Since you all seem to be confused about every single word I say, just repeat after me everything I say to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank God. We came on a boat.
We came on a boat.
Good. We came on the boat to the island prison.
We came on the boat to the island.
Now we need to take the boat to leave this island prison.
Take the boat to leave the island prison.
Yeah. Good job. You guys are getting it really well. So to get to the boat, we need to go find the patrol. We need to see when they're getting here. Okay?
Okay.
You guys are still confused, so I'm gonna try again. There's a patrol. You see it pass by every few minutes, and then okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
You could break out, Garrison. You could break out and sing this. Go, break out.
Patrol. There they go now. Look natural. Okay. They're gone. We are near the sink. Okay.
Okay.
There's a hole under the sink. Okay.
Okay.
Thank God. So now that we're here, we're gonna go underneath to the sink to the sea. Okay?
Okay.
But wait, I don't know how to swim.
You don't know how to swim.
Yeah, sorry. Guess that didn't work out.
You're left behind. Okay.
Prepare to go under the sink. Prepare.
Okay,
Prepare.
get down, everyone. I'm gonna give you
Get
a
down.
lesson on how to.
Oh, it's gross.
Are you really gonna complain? Thank God. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start first.
Everyone get
Follow
down,
after
get down,
my
get down.
lead.
Everyone get down, get down.
Does
Yes.
it smell now? It better.
You're in the tube, guys. You're all there.
We're in. Okay. We're crawling and we're crawling and out. You wanna go home? That's what we're trying to do.
Listen to that, Garrison. Listen. You're coming out. You're coming out. You see light.
We're here. Oh, there's a boat. Get down. We're here.
We're here.
We're here. Take.
It's the sea, the sky, the sun. Oh, more people. Get down. We're good now. There's the boat, the patrol. They're all off the boat. Please follow me.
Wait, hold on. Can I get my pet rock really fast?
Your pet rock.
Leave it
I
behind.
love him. He's gonna be useful.
Half minute left.
I hate all of you so much. You're all annoying. You're all loud. You have no idea what's happening. But you're all I have, so I gotta deal with you. You Sam. You get supplies. And you stop. And you stop. And
Yeah.
okay. There's go on the boat. On the boat. On the boat. On the boat. I don't have to say this every time. Get on the boat. We took a boat to the island of prison. And now we're taking a boat on the island of prison. Okay? We don't even have roads.
Back to you are all I have. Garrison, you are all I have.
I'm alone except for you five. And I maybe I should be alone. But I can't because I can't work a boat alone. Other dolphins and abs work a boat in a row. I can't work a boat, but y'all can apparently. Wait, who's on the wheel? Wait, I told you to.
Back to dialogue. Back to dialogue.
Okay, now that you're not controlling the wheel, where are we?
I don't know.
Blackout. Just for time. Blackout.